Hey guys, today we are doing another Man Slime Monday, coming at you again.
Monday, it's Man Slime Monday.
Today I'm going to give Edward some clear slime and he's going to put on this blindfold and he's not going to know what are in these cups that I have for him, and he's going to pour the cups in the slime and mix, and then maybe he's going to try to guess what they are. It's like Monday.
Anything sharp that I'm going to be mixing into this?
Maybe. You might get injured.
Anything hot? Am I going to get burned?
You may get burned.
It's like a 1,000-degree knife.
Oh, yeah. Are you okay with that?
Nothing that explodes, no pop rocks. Firecrackers.
I used all the pop rocks in my video this morning. So let's get started.
Let's do it. I'm excited. Excited to see what kind of crazy things you're going to give me to mix into this slime.
Don't get mad, okay? All right, so the blindfold's on?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to put this bowl right here, and it has, oh, wait. Let's just take this out. Okay. Right. It's the first cup.
I was waiting for my signal.
Oh, wait, you don't know where to tell. You know what? Let me just dump it in, okay? How about I?
Mm-hmm. Right. So this is item number 1.
Mix it in.
They're round. Am I allowed to smell them or no?
No, just don't.
Okay. Oh, I can smell it from here. It smells like cheese balls. Should I crunch them down in the slime?
Yeah.
This is very sticky. Might need a little activator on this. Crunchy. It ain't easy being cheesy. I used to eat cheese balls a lot when I was a kid. I didn't have any for like 10 years. I actually had some the other day.
Yeah?
Tasted just like you remembered.
Okay. You're going to poke? You know that's not how to poke slime.
No, I just thought of a joke. You want to hear it? Mm-hmm. What Disney princess loved to play with slime the most?
I don't know who.
Pocahontas.
I was like, what?
That was a good one, huh?
Oh, you need help. Here, I'm going to put this in the cup. Oops.
Really?
Do you know how to mix that in?
No.
You're going to pull the slime over it so it doesn't... You still got cheese on your hands.
Are these all food items?
No.
Oh. It feels like little beads. Feels cool. That's a lot of them. I think RainbowPlayMaker put too many things on here. Is there anybody that's worse at playing with slime than me?
Than you. Because you still got slime on your hands from the other one.
Oh.
Pick it up and stretch it.
Feels cool. Is that fishbowl slime then with the beads in it or no?
Mm-hmm. Those are sushi beads.
Oh. My beads are falling out. This one feels cool though, I like it. Let's just put a little bit in at a time this time.
Okay.
I have a really good sense of smell. I think I already figured out what this is. Should I pull this over this one?
Mm-hmm.
Can't get an edge because you put a lot in there again. Alright. Do any of you guys have a favorite color of Fruit Loops when you eat them? If you do, let us know in the comment section down below. I think I've only eaten Fruit Loops like 2 times in my life.
You're gonna crunch that or what?
Yeah. Yeah. How's the color mixing in from the Fruit Loops?
Good. Rainbow.
There's definitely a lot of dye in Fruit Loops. I would think that it probably, if we let it sit for a while, it probably would. Just like cereal, like you put the cereal in the milk and then it like gets soggy, you know.
Mhm. Ready?
Mhm. Comes the grand finale.
No, the slime smoothie is going to be the grand finale.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay. Good. Kind of. What do you think that is?
Chips.
What kind?
Triangular. So I guess like Doritos. Yeah, I guess Doritos. Also known as tortilla chips. My favorite flavor of Doritos is spicy nacho. What's yours, Rainbow Playmaker?
I'm not a huge Dorito fan, but I do like the Cool Ranch ones.
Yeah. I'm curious on what everyone else's favorite flavor of Doritos is. So
okay, let's make a bet right now. What do you think is the most popular? I'm going to go with Cool Ranch.
I think
the spicy nacho.
I think plain cheese.
You think that?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. If you like the blue ones, the Cool Ranch, you could do Team Rainbow.
If you're spicy nacho, Team Edward. And if you're the plain cheese, Team Nacho.
It's still not, like, I'm surprised that these are not making it all wet and sticky.
So it's not turning orange?
It's orange, but it's not making the slime all wet and yucky.
But if you leave it out, it will turn yucky. Because didn't you mix some food in it before and it got soggy, I remember you told me?
Yeah, certain food. Okay, let's put that in the, let me try just,
a slime food smoothie. Except for one wasn't food.
leave it. Just leave it. In the bowl. That's fine.
It's pretty wild looking, huh?
Looks weird. Okay, let's do an outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Anyone want some Fruit Loops?